How to play Spotify on different devices. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to play Spotify in different devices. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Spotify application itself. Then here wait for a few seconds. After that, go to the song that you want to play in the different devices. Let's say that I want to play this song. Then here on the bottom right corner you can see an option. It is like a remote like option. Simply click onto it. Then here you need to be logged in with the same account within different mobile phones or within different devices. If you have logged in with different devices with the same account, then it will show the device right here. I haven't, so it is not showing. If you do have, then simply click onto the device. After that, a pop-up will be shown in your another device. Simply accept it, then you will be able to play Spotify on different devices at the same time. So this was how you could play Spotify on different devices at the same time. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.